then black pepper. I have here olive oil. Fry both sides for 2 minutes. Mango, avocado, cherry tomatoes, cilantro, white onion, spoon of olive oil, apple cider vinegar, honey, Dijon mustard, pepper, salt, and shake, shake, shake. Welcome back to my channel. This is Mommy Nelia Creasey. Today, I'm going to make salad. Very yummy salad. I'm going to call this mango, avocado, and chicken salad. So I have here chicken fillet. This is already thin. I'm going to season this with salt, both sides. Then black pepper. Then I have here my skillet. I'm going to fry them for each side 2 minutes. I have here olive oil. Look at this. Fry both sides for 2 minutes. While waiting for my chicken, I have here romaine lettuce. I'm going to cut them. Mango, avocado, I'm going to arrange all here. Avocado, lettuce, and the mango. I have here cherry tomatoes. Just slice them into halves. Arrange. I'm going to use cilantro. Arrange on the top. I don't have purple onions, so I'm going to use white onions. Now I'm going to slice the chicken. Oops, still hot. While waiting the chicken to cool down, I'm going to make my dressing first. I have here olive oil, about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of honey, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Up. And shake, shake, shake. Shake. Put the chicken on the top. And my dressing. Mix them all together. And time for a taste test. I can't wait. Guys, tingnan nyo yan, guys. Looks so yummy. Taste test time. Look at that colorful salad. Damihan ko. Ang sarap. Thank you for watching. Bye.